Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check your buyer protection on AliExpress. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, before we even go ahead and check for it, we need to understand what the buyer protection is. You can simply go ahead and check the buyer protection by visiting the My Orders page, clicking on order details for a specific purchase and looking for the buyer protection countdown timer or confirmation message. This period starts when you place the order and ends 15 days after you confirm your receipt of the item. The protection is automatically applied to the item with a buyer protection label on the details page, but exceptions apply for certain items. So it's pretty straightforward. If you simply go ahead and purchase something right over here on AliExpress and then go to your orders tab right over here and then check for buyer's protection, you're going to have a buyer's protection for 15 days. So if anything goes wrong in between that 15 days, you can simply go ahead and report it to AliExpress and they'll take care of it for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.